What's happening, my Kali friends? Grab a staff today or a broomstick if you don't have a traditional rattan staff. Let's grab something that is long enough to use for today's training. I want to go over some basic drills that you can start getting your staff training in with right now today. Hit the thumbs up button if you like training the staff. Subscribe to Kali Center if you are brand new to the channel. And let's get to the training. We're going to be working in the Bang Kao grip. So this is one palm up, one palm down, and we're roughly in the middle of the staff. And this is the double end staff fighting method right here. Now, before we get to some striking drills, let's do a little spin drill just to warm up, develop some coordination, and get a little bit of hand and grip conditioning in. And this is called the half front spin. And what we're going to do is we're going to spin it over. I'm going to take my right hand and I'm going to spin it over the top of my left hand until I spin it all the way around, and then I can catch it. Now you're going to notice that my left palm is up and my right palm is down. So I'm going to take my left palm this time and I'm going to spin it over the back of my right hand until I can catch it, finish the spin, and then I'm back into that right palm up and left palm down. And I'm just going to work this back and forth right here. I'll do a little slow-mo so that way you can see this little spin action here. All right, and let's get to our strikes. So for today's drill on the double end staff fighting method, I want to go through all of the basic angles of strikes, and every single one is going to end with a thrust, because in Kali we have the principle of slash and thrust. Basically, every slash can become a thrust, and every thrust can become a slash. And this keeps the flow of the weaponry going. Plus, the thrust is the first follow-up. After I smash my opponent's hand, then I want to follow up with that thrust right up to the center line. So let's go through basic strikes. We have our basic angle 1, downward diagonal, thrust. Basic angle 2, downward diagonal on the backhand, thrust. Then we're going to come up the diagonal on the angle 3, thrust, up on the angle 4, thrust. That's the first 4. Let's work those a little bit. 1 thrust, 2 thrust, 3 thrust, 4 thrust. You can also keep your right foot forward the entire time. You can keep the left foot forward the entire time. You can alternate right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. So you can play around with some different stances, even some of the footwork. In Kali, we don't really have like a stance. We really just have footwork because we're going to be moving around while we're fighting our opponent. We don't want to just stand still in the stance. We want to move our feet, quick feet. All right, once we have the diagonals down, then we can go into the horizontals. So horizontal forehand, thrust. Horizontal backhand, thrust. Then we come down on the vertical, thrust, and then the backhand vertical and thrust right there. So again, the horizontals and vertical strikes. Horizontal forehand, thrust. You're going to see how I'm going to catch that underneath my armpit here. And then on the backhand, I'm going to catch it right there on the arm right there. Don't come across and hit yourself in the neck. Okay? Go right across, right to the humerus, the upper arm right there, and then thrust. And then we're going to come downward on the vertical, thrust, downward on the vertical, and thrust. So 1 thrust, 2 thrust, down on a vertical thrust, vertical and thrust. Then let's put it all together. Diagonals, horizontals, and vertical strikes. These are the only 3 angles that really exist. The numbering system, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yada yada, is just there for teaching purposes. Different styles, different systems of Filipino martial arts will order their strikes in a different number. Don't let that confuse you, because there's really only 3 angles that exist: diagonals, horizontals, and verticals. So let's put the whole drill together. We have 1 thrust, 2 thrust, 3 thrust, 4 thrust, 5 thrust, 6 thrust, 7 thrust, 8 thrust. And then we get to start all over again. But I'm gonna do it with my back turned towards you because I don't want you to see me anymore. Just kidding. I just want you to follow along with me for a couple reps right here. 1 thrust, nice and slow. 2 thrust. 3 thrust. 4 thrust. Horizontal thrust. Horizontal thrust. Vertical thrust. Vertical thrust. Play around with the different forward positions. 1 thrust. 2 thrust. 3 thrust, 4 thrust, horizontal thrust, horizontal thrust, vertical thrust, vertical thrust. One more time together, nice and slow. I'm going to do it with the right foot forward. 1 thrust, 2 thrust, 3 thrust, 4 thrust, 5 thrust, 6 thrust, 7 thrust, 8 thrust right there. Alrighty, my friend, there you got it. A good beginner-friendly staff fighting drill. Couple of drills, because we did the little spin warm-up in the beginning. This is a great place, once again, to begin your staff fighting training in Filipino martial arts if you're brand new to the staff. If you're brand new to Filipino martial arts, I get this question a lot. Hey, Paul, where should I begin? You got a lot of videos up here on YouTube, and you got a lot of different training programs. Where do I start? Where do I start? This is a great place to start right here. Just start with your staff. You can start with any of the single stick stuff. Just go into YouTube and just type in the search Kali Center Beginner. And you'll have a whole bunch of beginner videos that will pop up that I've done over the years. And they're going to cover everything from single stick to double stick to knife to empty hands, and also the staff. In Kali, the way that I like to teach it, yeah, we usually start off with the single stick. But when you're working your solo training, don't be afraid to explore the different areas of Kali that Kali has to offer. Have fun with your training. You don't need to take it too seriously all the time. Enjoy the process. Have fun. Experiment with the different areas, because there's a lot. There's a lot to do in the art of Kali. All right, thanks so much for training with me today. I'll catch you back here next time, my friend. Go be a beast. Ah!